kids. Let's learn farm animals. Cow. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Pig. Here is a pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud. Sheep. Look, a sheep. Sheep have soft wool. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chickens lay eggs. Horses. Here is a horse. Horses are great for riding. Goat. Meet the goat. Goats can climb and eat almost anything. Duck. This is a duck. Ducks love to swim. Donkey. Look, a donkey. Donkeys are very strong. Rabbit. Meet the rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and hop around.